Hi, Year 11. This morning, your lesson is going to be continuing on from where we left off, acids, bases, and salts. So you'll need to have access to that booklet, 2.2. If you don't worry, I have actually included it as a separate document with the assignment. Okay, so we're going straight into metal oxide base and metal hydroxides, which are alkalis, and their reactions with acids. That's page 11. So a metal oxide or base will react with acids to produce a salt and water. If you can fill out the necessary words there on the lines in your booklet, that would be great. Base plus acid, salt plus water. There's an acronym there that you'll need to find. Think of something that will help you remember that. Much like how we talked about MASH for a metal plus an acid will give us a salt plus hydrogen. Okay, so an example of that, magnesium oxide plus hydrochloric acid will give us our salt plus water. Okay, just to clarify as well and clear up any misconceptions, alkalis and bases are different. An alkali produces OH minus ions in water, examples are metal hydroxides, whereas a base will actually neutralize an acid but not dissolve in water, such as metal oxides. So metal oxides are bases, metal hydroxides are alkalis. Okay, so metal hydroxide. When a metal hydroxide or an alkali reacts with an acid, they produce a salt and a water. Could you please complete that as well in your booklet? So there's another little AASW. Can you think of something will help you remember that? The example given here is sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid to give you sodium chloride and water, our salt plus water. So the equations above represent neutralization reactions. This is where a neutral solution is produced, such as a metal salt dissolved in water to give us a pH of, think of neutral, you think of, yep, you got it, pH 7. The process of neutralization is an exothermic reaction, in other words, one that gives out heat. Okay, so 2 questions at the bottom of this page. In fact, there are 4 in total, but I'd like you to complete the other 2 yourself. Potassium hydroxide and nitric acid will give us potassium nitrate and water. Sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid will give us sodium sulfate and water again. Okay, so you know the format. What I'd like you to do is complete question 3 and 4 in your booklet. Send a photo of it to me if you can, please. For additional extension work, if you want to include the symbol equations as well, so the symbols, in other words, solid, liquid, gas, or aqueous, that would be great. The second part of the assignment I'd like you to do is to complete the 10 questions in the Google form, which is attached separately. It's all related to the topic we're discussing today on acids, alkalis, mainly alkalis and bases, so you know the definition and the difference between the two. Any problems, give me a shout, drop me an email. I'll be around you in the course of your lesson. Good luck, and I'll speak to you all soon.